This right here is my 42-inch Harbor Breeze Caratuk River ceiling fan, Wobble reduced, and a new light. So here's how it looks. It's really bright. And here's on low. From the pull-chain, you know this. Remember, the pull-chain rubs against this part and it makes a noise. That will soon stop. Enough of these pull-chains. I got these two. The new pull-chains came from the Fountain Breeze. Here's the medium. Here's the rest of the fans in the background. Also, because it's lights recently too. Hey, there too. Here's it on high. See? It doesn't wobble as badly as it used to. Still has a little bit of shake to it, but it doesn't wobble as bad. Here's the light line. There's a bit of movement to it, but it's not as bad as it was. And here it is, spin down. If the gasket just not down here, see all the fans are in here now. And here are my homemade video lights I have put up here. Wait for it to spin down. Just the fans are running on low speed. Except for the gas spin down there. That really runs because it's in the floor. So that doesn't really run as frequent as the other fans. It's in the floor. He really need to step on it, so because of that doesn't run as frequently, but it sometimes runs. And you know what's causing this fan to wobble? Because that blade with that potato chip clip on it, this blade here was the off balance blade. So we put that clip on it, and also I take the clip to the blade so that way the clip doesn't fall off the blade while it's running. And because of that, the fan is balanced and wobbles a lot less. There you go. Oh, my phone died.